This video is going to show you how to turn on file extensions in Windows so that you can see the .docx or .xlsx or .pptx that come after the name of a file when we're using Microsoft Office. The file extension is what tells the operating system the program that it needs to open to display the file. So I'm going to go to Windows Explorer and open it up. Now in Windows 10 this is a lot easier than it is in Windows 7 or Windows 8. I'm going to click on the View tab and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to check file extension names. Now right now the file extension names are not showing. You can see down here that it says SC Word 2013 C1 P1A Marshall Reeves _2. Well, there's nothing after that. Now when I click on the file extensions, now I see the .docx. In Windows 7 it's a little bit different. In Windows 7, when you go to Windows Explorer, there's an Organize button up here, and when you click on Organize it'll drop down and it'll have an option for folders, and you select that, and then there's a tab on the dialog box that'll open up that says View. You click on that and then you scroll down the list until you find file extensions. The default in Windows 8 and Windows 7 is to not show the file extensions. So this is important when you're submitting files in the MindTap system, because you need to know that that .docx is already there. You either have to completely ignore it and not do anything with to add a .docx, or you need to have it turned on so you can see what's really there. Because what typically happens is students end up with .docx and then another .docx at the end of a file, and then the system won't recognize your file when you try to upload it. Okay, just a short tutorial.